have Django project created and we are ready to run the project. So we can start triggering the project by running this manage.py file. So here is the command to run manage.py file and run server. So we use this manage.py file for a lot of operations. Now our requirement is like running the server. So Django has its own server to run the application, but it is not recommended to use this server for production environment. So for production environment, you need to choose some hosting service. So that would be uh, more productive way. So here, as we are testing the application, we can go with our Django server. So now I am giving manage.py run server. So it creates a hosting service internally, and now it is hosting the site in this particular URL. So it's nothing but localhost. Okay, let's check how it's running in the localhost. So when I copy this URL and give the URL, so you can see now our Django application is running. So this is the default template we get when the Django application is running. So now we need to implement our business logic and customize our Django application. So that we will see in the next coming videos.
Hey, thank you very much for watching the video. You are awesome. Join me for more awesomeness. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe for more latest update like this, and hit the bell icon so you get constant updates.